Okay, hey Resonators. So I wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial on how I made these really cute pearl bowls. So I've been making these little bowls with different types of crystals, which I have to show you guys those really soon because it's so pretty. But I thought it would be a really good idea to start doing it with pearls because it just looks really classy and it just has a really elegant look. And then of course these little bowls come with a lid, which really is just super cute, and you can put anything from jewelry, change, just really whatever you would like to put in there. Or you can just keep it on your desk just as a cute little touch. They're super fun to make, so of course first you have to fill it with all of the pearls or crystals or whatever you want to put in your bowl. And then once it's all filled up, you have to very slowly pour in the resin. Now this is something that I used to do wrong all the time because I would get super impatient and I would just pour it and then it just starts like spilling on the sides of the mold and it gets really messy and it's super annoying. So trust me, no matter how slow it feels like you're going, you're probably not going slow enough. So drip it in there, let it soak into all of the little, nooks and crannies so that there's no holes in your bowl. And honestly, this part is actually really fun to do because it's really satisfying for me watching the resin just spill over all of the pearls and then seeing all the little bubbles pop around the edges. So I do like this part. So as I was pouring the resin on this one, I realized that there was like extra spaces that opened up for more pearls. So I make sure to fill it in so that it's a nice even look all the way through. And then you just top it off with a bit more resin just to make sure that the whole bottom is filled in. And then for the lid, of course, I filled it with pearls just the same. But on the lids, you don't have to pour the resin quite as slow, but the lids are just a little bit more annoying because there's always a couple of bubbles that'll be around the edges. So this part takes a lot of patience as well. You have to like kind of spin it around, and like you see what I'm doing, you really wiggle out some of those bubbles and it just makes it a nice clean look once it's all demolded. Also be careful that you don't squeeze too hard because it will spill over the sides of the mold. So the resin I used on this one was Dr. Crafty, and it takes about 2 to 5 days for it to completely cure. Depends on what project you're working on. But look how cute that is. Like, I just literally love these bowls. And I'm honestly kind of thinking I should just go with a whole pearl line of things and make other resin art with pearls because it is so pretty. So let me know what I should make next in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.